Hey, what's up? I'm Tiger Sasha. I'm a Russian-American artist based out of Northwest Arkansas. And you're probably wondering why I bought a print shop. Voiceover time. This is my first time ever doing this, so let me know if I completely suck or if there's anything I should improve on. But we're over here just patching holes up and trying to get this place to look halfway decent. This is the old darkroom that's completely in the way. It took a little minute to tear this whole thing apart. We cleared a whole bunch of room and it made the shop just 1,000% better to be in and move around in. The darkroom is getting rebuilt in a later episode in a different section of the shop. And that concludes my first ever voiceover. Let me know how I did. Alright, made some solid progress today. Got almost everything cleared out. Fixed our leak issue. We're gonna go through and clean this thing a bit more tomorrow and get everything prepped, and then finally paint all this crap up and make this place look just that little bit better. What's up, everybody? We're back at the print shop trying to get some of this stuff wrapped up. Yesterday we realized that I completely forgot to turn on the microphone, so all of that audio was non-existent. So we got a bunch of good work done yesterday. We got the darkroom all torn apart, realized that there was a leak in the washout booth, and then come this morning and realized there's another leak. So that's on the list of things to do today. So we're going to try and get all this other side all painted up, trying to wash out the washout booth, pun intended, and fix this leak. So it's going to be a busy day, but got a lot of good weather today. It's nice and sunny, so may as well make the most of it. Good morning. Another day, another project. Time to finish painting some, move some stuff on this lame, rainy day. Phase 2 starting. We got done with all the paint work. We're now starting to set everything up. As you can see, we got the flatbed Mustangs already set up for the most part, so I can't wait to bust those bad boys out. We got a dark room we're going to start building on in this episode. But first, we have to tackle the washout bay. There's a bunch of holes in it and it's super dirty, and it's time to clean this thing up. All this manual labor's got me parched, and what better yet than to drink a nice, delicious squirt. Please sponsor me. Alright, it's Monday. We're back in the shop again because it's work week like every other week. We finished patching up all this stuff so it's all nice and dry. And so the goals for today are mainly to seal it some more with this. I know there's better ways to do this whole washout booth, but time is money and this is temporary. Got a can of Flex Seal, got a little paint tray, a little crappy foam roller, Harbor Freight for the win. This is like 69 cents. Nice. Thick. So we're just gonna apply a bunch of coats of this until this entire cord is gone. And so that way this thing does not leak whatsoever. Solid day at the shop today. Got almost everything. Holy! Look at that sunset. That is wicked. Tomorrow we'll be building the table, but now it's cold. Time to go home and eat some dinner. It's cookie belt gang.